What about, let's see. Okay, so what if we come across 2/3 is to 1/2? Okay, that's our proportion. Just like 6 is to 21, we're saying 2/3 is to 1/2. So remember that this is division, right? That's why we wrote 6 over 21, 6 divided by 21. So remember that this is division, right? A ratio is just division. So how do we write the ratio? Well, really, we write the ratio, if we want to write it out, we write 2/3 over 1/2, right? Now that's how we would write it. But what did we learn about the division of fractions? We take our first fraction and then we write the reciprocal of the second fraction, right? So now this is rewritten like this, right? If we write this out, now we can solve it. 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 1 is 3. So 2/3 to 1/2 is equal to, let's write it, 2/3 to 1/2 is equal to 4 over 3, right? So if we, in our calculator, go the 2 divided by 3 divided by 1 divided by 2, we get 1.33333. If we do 4 divided by 3, we get 1.33333. So look at this step by step, okay? A ratio is the comparison of two like quantities. So I'm comparing this to this, and I can rewrite it as a fraction, and I can reduce it, right, to its lowest terms. But a ratio doesn't have to be a whole number, right? I can compare two fractions, and this is what we did here. The 2/3 replaces the 6 in this case, okay? So the 2/3 is to 1/2. Well, we wrote 6 over 21 up here, so we write 2/3 over 1/2 over here. But 2 divided by 3 divided by 1 divided by 2, right? That's why we don't divide fractions. That's why we write the reciprocal, and then we change it to multiplication. And then we rewrite the formula, or we rewrite the answer. Sorry, we write the answer, and wherever possible, we would reduce it. So if you wrote this as 4 over 3, I'd be fine with that. Remember what I said to you earlier about writing that 5/4, right? It's still right.